The best OS for programming. A deep dive into iOS, Linux, and Windows. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a hot topic that every coder and tech enthusiast thinks about at some point. What's the best operating system for programming? We'll be taking a look at three heavyweights in the game: iOS, Linux, and Windows. So grab your snacks, sit back, and let's get into it. First up, let's talk about iOS. Now, iOS isn't just for scrolling through TikTok or playing Candy Crush. It's a robust platform for app development, especially if you're into creating apps for iPhones and iPads. If you're looking to dive into Swift or Objective-C, you're going to love Xcode, Apple's integrated development environment, IDE. It's sleek, user-friendly, and packed with tools that help you build high-quality apps. Plus, the Apple ecosystem is super appealing for developers because of its dedicated user base. If you create something awesome, there's a good chance it'll get noticed. But remember, developing for iOS means you've got to be in the Apple ecosystem. You'll need a Mac to run Xcode, and that can be a bit pricey. But hey, if you're serious about mobile app development and want to tap into the iPhone market, it's totally worth it. The learning curve might be a bit steep if you're new to coding, but once you get the hang of it, the possibilities are endless. Next up is Linux. Oh man, where do we even start with Linux? This bad boy is like the Swiss Army knife of operating systems for developers. It's open source, which means you can tweak it however you want. Whether you're into Python, Ruby, or even C++, Linux has got your back. The terminal is your best friend here. It's powerful and lets you control your system like a boss. One of the coolest things about Linux is its flexibility. You can choose from a ton of different distributions like Ubuntu, Fedora, or Arch, each with its own vibe. So whether you want something user-friendly or you're looking to customize everything from the ground up, there's a Linux distro for you. Plus, most servers run on Linux, so if you're getting into web development or server management, knowing your way around Linux is a huge plus. And let's not forget about the community. The open source community is super supportive. If you ever hit a snag or have questions, there are forums and resources galore where you can find help. It's like having a giant group of coding buddies ready to lend a hand. Finally, we've got Windows. Now, Windows is probably the most widely used OS out there, and for good reason. If you're into game development or .NET applications, Windows is where it's at. Visual Studio is a killer IDE that makes coding in C#, F#, or VB.NET a breeze. It's packed with features like IntelliSense that help speed up your coding process. Windows also has a ton of software available that can help with all sorts of programming tasks, from database management to graphic design tools. And if you're into gaming or game development, most game engines like Unity and Unreal Engine run smoothly on Windows. But here's the kicker. Windows has also made strides in becoming more developer-friendly with features like the Windows Subsystem for Linux, WSL. This allows you to run a Linux environment right on your Windows machine without needing to set up a virtual machine. So if you're torn between the two worlds, Windows gives you the best of both. So which OS is the best for programming? Honestly, it all depends on what you're looking to do. If you're all about mobile app development and are down with the Apple ecosystem, go for iOS. If you want flexibility and control with a supportive community behind you, Linux is your best bet. And if you're looking for something versatile that works well across various domains, from web development to game design, Windows has got you covered. At the end of the day, it's all about your personal preferences and what projects you want to tackle. So pick an OS that vibes with your style and start coding. Don't forget to drop a comment below on which OS you prefer and why. And as always, hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe for more tech content coming your way. Catch you next time! Feel free to adjust any parts of this text to better fit your style or specific points you'd like to emphasize.